Now we are left with only this much part, as I have told you. Then what we need to do, once you have drawn the AC equivalent circuit, reduce the circuit. You know how to reduce the circuit. This is which type of biasing? Voltage divider biasing. As I have told you previously, it can be reduced to a single voltage source in series with a resistance. The circuit will be looking like this. Now what are this? This is nothing but your VTH. This is your RTH plus VCC, RC, RE. Then we need to show the voltages, plus minus VCE, plus minus VBE. Then currents. What will be the current over here? It will be base, so IB. It is collector, so IC. It is emitter, so IC. Since we are dealing with the DC analysis, I capital, C capital, I capital, B capital. Now we need to find the value of VTH. How we are finding the value of VTH? By potential divider rule. We will find the value of VTH as, this is already I have told you, R2 upon R1 plus R2 into VCC. This will give you the value of VTH. How we are finding RTH? RTH is R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. This will give you the value of RTH. Once you know RTH, you can apply KVL in this loop. So what you can write? Applying KVL to base emitter loop. I have told you the shortcut. Current flowing in the base is IBQ, right? How to write the equation? Total number of voltages is VTH minus VBE. Total resistance RTH, it is in the base. Resistance RE is in the emitter. So by resistance reflection rule, you can write it as 1 plus beta into RE. In this way, you can find the value of IBQ. Once you know the value of IBQ, you can find the value of ICQ as beta times IBQ. Once you know IBQ, you can find the value of R pi, which is very important. It is required in the AC analysis, which is VT upon IBQ, and you can find GM. What is the equation for GM? It is ICQ by VT. So these parameters R pi and GM are required in the AC analysis. So we need to find the values of the resistance and transconductance. For that, what we need to do? We need to do the DC analysis. Similarly, we'll solve the problem simultaneously. As you know, we can find VTH. How to find the value of VTH? As you know the formula, in this case VTH is R2 upon R1. For the formula, VTH will be R2 is 6.3 K upon 6.3 K plus 93.7 K multiplied by total voltage is 12. So you can find the voltage VTH as 0.756 volts, right? So RTH will be 93.7 K into 6.3 K divided by 93.7 K plus 6.3 K. So this will give you RTH. RTH is 5.903 kilo ohms. So once you know VTH and RTH, I am following the same steps what I have done for the derivation in the analysis. So you know the value of VTH and RTH. Next is to apply KVL to the base emitter loop. So what I will do, apply KVL to base emitter loop. So once I am applying KVL to base emitter loop, I will find IBQ. Equation is VTH, you know. I am not writing the equation because the same steps I am following. So VTH will be 0.756 minus VBE, that is 0.7, upon RTH. RTH we have found it as 5.903 K. 1 plus beta. Beta given in the question is 100. Then 1 plus beta will be 101 into RE. RE is 1 into 10 raised to 3. This will give you the value of IBQ. Value of IBQ you will get from this 0.523 microampere. This is IBQ. So from this, what you can find ICQ, which is beta times IBQ. So that will be 100 into 0.523 microampere. So that will give you ICQ as 0.0523 milliampere. Once you know ICQ, you can find R pi, which is, you can say VT is 26 millivolts divided by IBQ, which is 0.523 10 raised to minus 6. So this will give you R pi as 49.7 kilo ohms, and GM you can find as ICQ upon VT. So what value of GM you will get from this? GM you will get it as 2.011 milliampere per volt. Now how to find the units of this? See, GM is current upon voltage, so you will have ampere per volt, and whatever you are getting milli, micro, that is the power of 10 that you need to write, and you can find the value of GMR. So whatever the derivation we are doing, the same steps are applied in the problem for the analysis, and we are getting these values, right? From DC analysis, what we get the value of R pi, we get the value of GM, right? Now we go for the AC analysis.